Okay, this is a brief review on how to do roofs, and then there will be some additional information on how to do a gable type roof, and then do a type of windows that match your roof. Also, I'll show you how to change your siding of your house. So let's start with that. Right now, we've got kind of your standard lap siding, this greenish color here. I want to change that to logs. So I'll double click on the house, go to materials, exterior walls, and then let's get out of lap and go to log. And you got your options here. More rustic look if you want, or more finished look. Click OK, and then notice that's what it looks like for the entire interior or exterior. If you want your interior walls to match that, you can certainly do that. You'd have to do it for every room, so it's up to you if you want that feel or not. I'm going to undo that real quick for me. Oops. Okay, so then I want to do the same thing for the second story. So I use my material eyedropper, and we can apply that to all the walls. Click, or you can just click on it and change the materials for all the walls, just like I showed you. Okay, then I'm going to add my roof. So I'm going to go build roof, build roof, and then check these top two boxes there. And that's what it looks like with the roof on it. Okay, and then let's say I want the front of my house to be, instead of a hip roof, I want it to be a gable. I can click on the walls. So I'm going to go back to my 2D view, and I'm going to click on this wall here and click on the roof tab and hit full gable wall. And then I'll go back to this perspective full overview. And I gotta do this. I gotta do that for the second story. Now you can see it looks like that. Okay, and then let's say I want to put a window in there. So I can go build window, and I could put a window right there. And I'm going to do a couple things to this window. I'm going to make it a fixed glass window. And then what I can do is, if I go to options or arch, okay, click in the window. If I go to shape and then I hit match roof, notice how it makes an angle just like the size of the roof there. And then I can do the same thing on this other side. Let's put some big windows up there. And then I'm going to put in another one just like it. Build, window, shape, match roof. And you just position them appropriately. So height is 102. I'll make the same one 102 here. And so you can do some pretty cool designs with your windows. I'll do one more set. Put one right here and one right there. And then again, make them fixed. So it means you can't open them, which you can do, or you don't have to. Line them up so they're right in line there, and do the same thing with this guy. Okay, so what we covered there were windows and how to match the shape of your roof, how to do a full gable side if that's what you like, how to change the siding, and more. Let me know if you have questions. Thank you.